To make this sev, I am going to mix the green chutney in the sev batter, and then we are going to make this nice excellent sev. In Telugu we call it as karapusa, sanna murkulu. First we are going to make the green chutney. Take a blender. In this, lot of mint. Green chutney is made with mint. We want nice green colors and lot of coriander. For spiciness, green chilies, lot of them. And for nice that punch, we want to add garlic, some cumin, some chaat masala, salt as per taste. Later we are going to adjust the salt while mixing our dough. So this we are going to make it into a slightly watery type of mixture. So here you can see lot of spicy punch from this. We want like this. We are going to strain this. We are going to make a sev. So here is the mold which is very very thin. If you want your mixture to come out of this, then you need to strain everything. Otherwise when you try to make this sev, this will get stuck in between. This water we are going to use to mix our dough. And don't waste this. Mix this in the chapati dough and make either chapatis or puris. So I am going to keep this aside. In this we are going to add lemon juice also. I have already strained it. And now check the taste. This should be nice, spicy, sour, salt. This is perfect. Now in this we are going to add the chickpea flour. If you are taking 1 cup of chickpea flour, then you take around 1 big tablespoon of rice flour. So here is the rice flour to get slight crunchiness, and we are going to add this and also the rice flour. Be careful, we don't want this to be too soft. We want little bit hard dough. If it is little bit thick, you can add little bit of water. If it is thin, you can add more of flour, and we are going to make this a dough like chapati dough. Little bit of salt. So here is our dough which is ready. I made it slightly soft. We want the mixture to come out from this mold. If it is too hard, then we can't rotate it. So make it little bit easy for yourself and drop it in this mold. The oil should be nice and hot for deep frying this. So here I filled everything and just seal it. This mold is actually very easy to make it. And now the oil is also hot. If you want, you can just check with little bit of dough, drop it and check it out. This won't take much time at all. Evenings as a snack, you can just make it immediately. Instead of bhajis, this. So this is done. See, the color is also crunchy. One more. See, immediately this will cook. Why? Because your oil is hot. When you are trying to fry the next batch, wait for 1 minute, let the oil gets heat, then you add this mixture. So here is the perfect one, and now we are going to make the simplest chaat. To make the chaat, we are going to fry these peanuts in the same oil. So the peanuts are done. We are going to keep this aside, and now let's make the simplest chaat. Take this, slightly crush. You need to have these type of chaats immediately, because when you add all the stuff, this will become soft. For the color, some carrot, some tomato, onions, some chili powder for more spiciness, very little of cumin, and also the peanuts. You can add some tomato ketchup also if you want. Instead of sweet chutney, I am using this sweet yogurt. I have taken some yogurt and 1 teaspoon of sugar, pour it on top. Very simple. Chaat is ready. It's time to serve my husband. Please have
some chili powder on top and this chaat.
Make it, eat it, and serve it. You have to say ding chick, ding chick, ding chick.